What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of a relatively new house. The house name is Grandeur Elite. The name of the fragrance is Soaked Sun Exclusive. Look at this beautiful presentation, guys. And if you are a first-time visitor on my channel, please make sure you are subscribed and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Now, the first time I heard about this particular fragrance, or brand in fact, was on Curly Fragrance's channel. Now, of course, I did not have the luxury of mimicking Miss Curly, but I will try my best to show you this wonderful presentation first and then talk about the fragrance. It feels very premium to the touch. Almost, I think it's like a cloth, some kind of a special cloth on the top. It feels very premium to the touch. Like the print and everything is like spot on. Okay, okay. So you know it's probably, you can already tell right away what it's doing, but again, on my channel, I'm not gonna go into any sort of comparison. The bottle sits pretty deep inside. See how much depth is in there. Very securely packed. The beautiful bottle. It's a blue bottle. Sorry, I don't have any backlight today, so you probably cannot see through it, but it's a very nice, beautiful blue bottle, and everything's inscribed, written here in black. Sorry about that, folks. Phone's not gonna do a good job over here. Let me first tell you about the notes. So I'm gonna read the notes. Let's see. So on the top, you've got citron, Calabrian bergamot, and Sicilian orange. Lots of freshness, juicy fruitiness. That's what I'm expecting. I guess there's some kind of a sweetness too. On the mids, you've got Nigerian ginger, Tunisian neroli, and Ceylon cinnamon. Wow. So like something like warm, effervescent kind of mids. I guess there's some kind of a floral nuances too. Let's see. And on the base, you've got Chinese black tea. Interesting. Ambroxan, olibanum, and gaiac wood. Okay. Wow, it's got a magnetic cap. Cool. Let's go ahead, spray this baby. Let's find out what it's all about. I heard this one probably has like a pressurized atomizer. Let's go and find it out. Yep, this is clean, all good. No pressurized atomizer, guys. I don't know who wrote that, but that's wrong info. Wow. This is good. This is actually good. Juicy citruses, and it's kind of like changing right away. So the whole citrusy vibe is changing, like it's in layers of citrus. I don't know, but I'm getting kind of like a tiny tad bit of Middle Eastern vibe somewhere. Very fresh, invigorating. Almost smells like a very luxurious detergent. Not a fabric softener though, but like the detergent soap itself. There's a good zing from the ginger. It's like a zingy, effervescent feel. There's a bit of warmth, so almost like that freshness and the warmth from the sun at the seaside. Floral notes are probably somewhere in the background. It's probably going to take a while. It's only the first impression, guys. And I believe these are eau de parfum concentrations. Yep, it is an eau de parfum. Some warmth coming through, like a spicy kind of warmth. Definitely coming from the cinnamon. So it's probably going to take a while to go all the way to the base, but the presence of Ambroxan is pretty amped up. So if you're not a big fan of Ambroxan by itself, you might want to avoid this one, but me personally, I like it. I like it. Crowd pleaser, 100%. Like, this is something you cannot go wrong with. I'm almost kind of getting like a watery, aquatic vibe. Not that salty one, but just like watery vibes, you know, like just plain water. Some sweetness coming through. Not a fruity sweetness, but sweetness in general. It's not super loud, but I have a feeling this is like one of those slow burning candles, as in like it's gonna stick on to your skin for a long time. It's gonna stay for a long time, but it's not one of the loudest fragrances. but I'm pretty sure like the way it's coming off my skin, at least on my arm, hand over here, like this part of the hand, it's the driest part. If you are aware, if you are a fragrance lover, if you're well aware of this, like this part is pretty dry, like the thinnest skin and everything. So I'm sure all over the body in different spots, it's gonna last even longer. So guys, pleasant stuff. Like I think this one cost me around what, 37 or 40 bucks, and I must say this is totally worth it. Definitely worth it. Like the bottle, the presentation, and again, just look how much the bottle goes in. There you go. So it just sits right there inside. Oh, and this thing fits in very snugly. Oh wow. Ugh. Some powder stuff coming out. Not the white powder, you know. Right, so guys, that was my first impression and unboxing of Soaked Sun Exclusive from Grandeur Elite. Brand new house, first time experiencing this, really loved it. And for the price point, $37 to $40, totally doable. Do let me know in the comments if you've tried this thing. If you have any experience with any other fragrance from this house, let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to check them out when I do my next haul. Until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.